Hello, all right today. I'm going to show you how to change the background on Zoom or how to put a background on Zoom when you are doing your meetings. You got here just in time. Grab my book free today. Learn what I do to make passive commissions in any niche. Smack that thumbs up. Let's get into the content now. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to open up Zoom. We're going to start out on the home screen and then we're going to click the settings button. We're going to click the backgrounds and filters option. Now you have the opportunity to do no better. And then you can see whatever's in the background. You can use the pre-selected backgrounds that they have. You could do video backgrounds like this, or if you want to add your own, you can go ahead and click the add image or video. You can say add image or add video. So we're going to go ahead and select add image. Go ahead and select where your backgrounds are. You select the background net, and then it quickly and easily changes. So you can change it to anything that you desire quickly and easily. So you can be anywhere in the universe. And if you want, you can also add a video. You click here and say add video. Now, if you want the dimensions for being able to use your background on Zoom for an HD camera, your backgrounds are going to be 1920 by 1080. So basically it's 1080p high def. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this informational video on how to change backgrounds on Zoom or how to put a background on a Zoom video was helpful. If it was, smack that thumbs up and make sure that you go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this.